In 2020, it was just the two of us, me and the original owner, Tom, grinding it out every single day. 2 years later, Tom had his first kid and followed a dream to fly for Alaska Airlines. That's when I decided to go all in and buy the business. It was definitely a roller coaster. My dad let me borrow his truck for about 5 months until I could save up to buy my own, and then 8 months in, I called in the heavy hitters, my longtime friends and baseball teammates. We started from the bottom, and through our volunteering and extremely high-quality service, we started to grow. Suddenly, the momentum shifted, and we started growing rapidly. Our emphasis on quality and care started compounding. 6 years later, we have 5 trucks and 12 team members. We grew because we were obsessed over quality and actually caring for our customers. We went from just 150 reviews in 2020 to now well over 1,400 5-star Google reviews and 9,000 jobs under our belts. This is Mean Green Junk Removal.